Welcome. Are you tired of getting constant invitations to like pages on LinkedIn? It can be annoying, but the good news is you can stop them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent those page invitations on LinkedIn with the latest updates. I will guide you through the steps on both the LinkedIn mobile app. Let's get started. First, let's open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom menu. You'll see a few icons there. Tap on the My Network icon. This is where you manage your connections and invitations. Now that you're in the My Network section, look for the Grow option. Tap on Grow, and then tap on Invitations. This will take you to a list of your pending invitations. In the upper right corner of the Invitations screen, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on that gear icon to access your invitation settings. Here, you'll find an option that says, Choose what invitations to receive. Tap on it. This section allows you to control the types of invitations you receive. Finally, you'll see the option to prevent page invitations. Simply toggle the switch to turn off page invitations. With this setting disabled, you will no longer receive invitations from your network to like or follow pages. And that's it. You've successfully prevented page invitations on LinkedIn. This will help you keep your LinkedIn experience cleaner and more focused on the connections and content that truly matter to you. By default, LinkedIn Connections can send you invites to follow organizations and companies, but you can disable this feature if you prefer not to receive these requests. Remember that you can also manage other types of invitations from this same screen, including event and newsletter invitations. Feel free to customize these settings to fit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Share it with your friends who might also be annoyed by those constant page invitations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.